Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're grilling up a striped bass on the Memphis wood fire grill and serving it with some new potatoes in dill and a chive dressing. The first thing that we should do is prepare the chive dressing. So here are the steps. Start by putting 2 cups of crème fraiche in a mixing bowl. Then you want to add 2 mashed garlic cloves. You also want to add 2 tablespoons of yellow onions that's been finely chopped. And also 4 tablespoons of chives that's been finely chopped. Finally, you want to season this with salt and pepper and then stir. Now when the chive dressing is ready, it's time to prepare the new potatoes, and this is what we're going to do. Put a large sauté pan over medium heat and combine 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then you want to add about 2 pounds of small new potatoes that has been pre-boiled. Now we want to sauté these potatoes, stirring occasionally until the skins are brown and start to crisp. This will take about 12 minutes. Then you want to season with salt, sprinkle with the juice from 1 lemon, and then finally add 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh dill. The new potatoes are now ready, so it's time to turn on the Memphis wood fire grill. You want to set it to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are going to use maple pellets for this grill. Now when the grill is up to temperature, it's time to prepare the striped bass, and here's what we're going to do. Start by patting the fish dry with some paper towels and then score the skin on both sides. Then you want to brush the fish all over with some olive oil and season generously both inside and out with salt and pepper. Then it's time to stuff the cavity, and we're going to stuff it with a couple of stems of parsley, a couple of cloves of garlic, and a couple of lemon slices as well. Then you want to brush the grate with oil. Then we're going to grill the fish uncovered until lightly charred and it releases easily from the grate. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Then we're going to flip it over and continue grilling until the flesh is white, about another 5 minutes or so. Drizzle the fish with some more oil and then serve it with the new potatoes and the chive dressing. And that is how you grill a striped bass on the Memphis wood fire grill, and serve it with some fresh new potatoes in dill and a beautiful chive dressing. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website www.memphisgrills.com for more great recipes like this. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. It smells amazing, so here we go. Yeah. Fresh, light, super flavorful. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.